Okay, we're back. Okay, and so the first thing I notice is 7 plus 2 adds up to 9. 3 plus 6 also adds up to 9. 6 plus 7 adds 13. Plus 5 is 18. So since the digits add up to a multiple of 3, that tells me that we can divide by 3. 3 is a factor. As to why that is the case, we can discuss that in another video. But suffice it to say, 3 is a factor. Okay, so 3 times 24. 3 times 120. And 3 times 2, 25. Some of these numbers I did earlier, but the 3 times 5, drop 5. So if you did the math on scratch paper, you'll see that 225 times 3 is 675. Let's keep going. So 3 again, 8. This would be 40. This one I did earlier. This would be 75. Keep going. 40 ends in a 0. 75 ends in a 5. So these two numbers are both multiples of 5. So I'm going to write a 5 here. But I'll skip the 8. I'll put an 8 here. And then this would be 15. And then what else? 8, 8. Let's see. So I'm going to put 2 cubed here. 2 cubed here. And 3 times 5 here. Okay, so for our least common multiple, I'll write that here, is, let's see, 3 squared times 5 times 2 cubed times 2 cubed times 3 times 5 equals, it would be 40, I did this earlier, 43,200. And if you look at these factors, the product of all these numbers equals 43,200. Let's see, I'll use another color. I'll keep it in blue. Equals 72 times 600. It also equals 360 times 120. And it also equals, what was that? Added here. Oh yeah, 675 times 64. Now, after the video is done, if you were to look and examine these factors, they're kind of like Lego pieces, and you can like connect and break off these Lego pieces, and you connect them all together. You get 43,200. Technically, you have 72 groups of 600. You have 360 groups of 120, and you have 64 groups of 675. We also see that. Let's see. I'm running out of space here. 9 is the greatest common factor. It's shown over here. So if you look closely at the numbers, you'll see that, yeah, 9 times 8. Actually, this line is kind of unique. So I inserted 3, I got a list of smaller factors. I inserted 3 again, I got a list of smaller factors. When I inserted the 5, 5 is not a factor of 72. And then eventually hit the bottom where 8 just goes to 2 raised to the third. And then over here I'm left with a 15. There's no 3 times 5 in any of the other original numbers. So this line is kind of special, and we see that, yeah, 3 times 3 is a common factor of 72, 360, and 675. So yeah, it's a lot all at once. I kind of worked with bigger numbers. If you're getting started out, I recommend start with smaller numbers. But here we kind of see like the power and usefulness of the cake method. And thank you for watching. This is GregoryTutor.com.